Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn as much as $200 per day consistently using this Google method nobody is talking about and Clickbank. The strategy I'm going to show you in today's video works very well, and you don't need to be an expert before you can be able to implement it for yourself. And also this strategy works worldwide. Now I want to mention something before we proceed. We're going to be using Clickbank in this video, but it doesn't matter that this strategy is just for Clickbank. You can also repeat this strategy with any other affiliate network out there or any other product you can promote as an affiliate. So you just need to understand the strategy and see how it can work for you. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗂𝗿 and today I'm going to be your guide. On our channel, we share videos on digital marketing, web design, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and how to help you make money online in general. So if you find value in this video you're watching today, please, I highly recommend you just consider smashing this subscribe button here, like the video, and also share it with your friends so that it will enable you to recommend our videos very well. Okay, so let's get straight into the video for today. Now, like I mentioned in the intro of this video, I said we're going to be using Clickbank today, but this strategy works with other networks out there like Store24, Maxweb, Buy Goods, and so on and so forth. So this strategy works for all these networks there, but we're going to be using Clickbank today. Okay, so now I just want you to watch this video right to the end of this video so that you can understand how this strategy works and how you can use it or implement it on other networks. That's if you're promoting products with other networks, if Clickbank is not available in your country. Okay, so if you don't have a Clickbank account, you just need to come here, click on this start button to create a new Clickbank account. But if you have an account, just click on the login and log into your account. Okay, so once you log into the account, you'll be brought to this page here. Now, on this page, you just need to click on the marketplace here. It will bring you to this specific page here now. Now, on this page, the offer which you're going to be promoting today is going to come from the green products category here. So if you're not using Clickbank, you can also check the other network there if they have a green product category there. But it doesn't matter that this strategy is specifically for the green product. It works for the health and fitness, affiliate marketing niche, spirituality niche, self-help, and so on and so forth. So this strategy works for all these categories, just in case you want to go with those categories now. So, but in today's video, we're going to be going with the green product category here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, you can click on it here, but I've already opened one here. Now, what you want to do here is to come to Clickbank. When you click on that green product there, it will bring you to the normal, the category page for the green product here. Now, what you need to do is we're going to be promoting this product in a different way, like in a way that you've never thought at all possible before. So that is the way we're going to be using to promote this product today. Now, let me explain something before we proceed now. Like every other affiliate out there, what you see on YouTube will be, okay, go to Clickbank, find a product that is selling very well, then start promoting that product, it is also good, but there will be a lot of competition there. But now the strategy I want to show you here is how to promote those same products in other markets aside from the tier 1 countries, like the tier 1 market, which is the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and so on and so forth. So I will show you how to promote this product effectively outside that market. Now, what you want to do when you come here is to come to this place here. When you come to the green product category, then click on languages here. Now you want to select the language here. It might be French, it might be German, it might be, but avoid English. Just go with any other language aside from English. So, but today's video, we're going to be going with Spanish here. So I'll just click on this Spanish here. When I click for this green product, you can repeat it for the health and fitness. It will still give you products in that language, in that category, so it will still show you. But this is what I'll do. I'll just choose Spanish here. So once I choose Spanish for this green product here, it shows me this offer here. You can see there's so many offers. Okay, you can see 1 and 2 here because of the Spanish. Like not many vendors are like selling their product in Spanish, but some vendors will still convert their product to also sell for the Spanish audience. That's why, like, as you can see, this specific product, and that is why I picked this product specifically, because this product, the English version, which is the English-based version, sells very well and it converts very well. So I also believe that the Spanish version is going to convert very well. But as you can see here, the gravity score, it tells you that not so many affiliates are promoting this product currently in this language, because everybody is focused on the English market. So that's why I'm saying you need to tap into this opportunity now to promote this product in other markets, which is the Spanish market in this example now. So yeah, this is the product we're going to be promoting today. Now on Clickbank, what you need to do to promote this product, you just need to click on this promote button here, then click on generate hop link to copy your hop link here. So this is your affiliate link. This is the link you're going to be using to promote this product. And when somebody clicks on this link to buy this offer, you're going to earn sweet commission. So just copy this link and save it on Notepad. Okay, so once I have it saved on Notepad, I'll just close this page. And I'll also close this one here. So now you can also do something. You can open this page, this affiliate page in the new tab. So just click on the new tab here. So once you do this, it will show you the language in Spanish, but I use Google Translator here. So I had to translate so that I can understand what is on this page here. But as you can see, the default there was Spanish. Okay, so now you can learn more about this offer, what this offer is all about, how much you can earn here. As you can see on Clickbank, when you promote this offer and somebody buys, you're going to earn close to $25 per sale when somebody buys this offer here. So now we've gotten the affiliate link. This is what we need to do now. We need to start promoting this offer now. Okay, so to promote this offer, you need to come to Google now. So here, this is why this strategy works, because you're not trying to run ads to our audience, which is the potential Spanish audience, for them to buy this product. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to offer them value. We're trying to give them value, educate them. Then at the end of the day, then we convince them to click on, our call to action to go and buy this offer, which is a very effective way of promoting a product. Because for you to, everybody hates when you're selling to them. You need to educate them first. And when you educate them, then you tell them the importance of why they need to go and buy that product or potential product that can solve their problem, So that is why this strategy works very well. So when you come to Google here, so what you want to do now is you want to find content ideas in the target niche for that product. Let's say for instance, now you're promoting a weight loss offer. So what you want to do in that case is to find content ideas related to weight loss. So you want to be educating your audience about how to lose weight, things they can do to lose weight, and so on and so forth. Same thing goes for the affiliate niche. You want to tell them, okay, how they can make money online, different strategies they can make money online, different things they can do to make money online. So that is why the strategy works. But in this category, which is the cream product category, what we're going to be looking for specifically, because of the offer is related to battery reconditioning. So we want to be looking for battery reconditioning tips that we can offer to our potential audience. Then they advise them or convince them to click on our link to go and buy that offer so that we can earn commissions. Now, so when we come to Google and we type this here, then we can see so many, articles here that we can just pick from. So you can just make your choice, pick from anyone here. Okay. So when I click on one of the results, they brought me to this page here. Now, as you can see, this is a blog post here. But one thing you should understand that this blog post is in English, but the audience we're trying to promote to is in Spanish. So what do we do now? Okay, so this is what you need to do. Now, you can copy this article here. You can copy this article. When you copy this article, then you come to Word documents here. Then you paste this article. So this is what you need to do. You can also read the article, then try to make it unique. But this is what you can do. After copying and pasting it here, just go through it, copy them here. So just copy them. So now what you want to do after copying the article, after copying the article for how to recondition a car battery. Now, what you need to do is to come back to Google here, or you can open a new tab. So when you open a new tab, now what you can do here is to type Google Translate. So just type Google Translate here. Okay, so once you type Google Translate, it will bring up this translator here, this function here, to bring it up here. Now, what you want to do now is to come here. Here it says English. You click on English here, then you just type Spanish. Okay, so you click on Spanish because that is the audience you want to target. So your audience is like that you're trying to target. They're like anything they're reading should be in Spanish language, so that they can be able to read it very well. Some people in that country, they might not be able to read English, so you want to write your content in Spanish. But you yourself, you don't know how to speak Spanish, you don't even know how to write Spanish. So this is where Google Translate comes in. Now what we can do is to come back here, then we can copy this first paragraph here, then come back here, we can paste it here. So what Google will do is it will translate it for us to the Spanish version now. So once it translates it, what we can do is come back here, just click on this copy button. Then you come back to your document there, or you can open a new document, a fresh document altogether. Let me just do that. So I'll just open a fresh document altogether. Now, once I open this, I can just paste this Spanish version here. This is the first paragraph here. Then you can do the same thing for the next paragraph until you're done with your article itself. So we'll come to Google here, we'll come here. Where is it? Okay, we come here, then I'll copy and paste this one here. So Google will translate it again. We'll copy this one too. Then we'll come back to this document here, then we'll paste this. So once you're done creating all your content now, now the next step which you need to do is to put it on a platform. Now, I do recommend all my viewers and my students that every single one of you need to have a blog, especially when you're into this online marketing game, or you're trying to start affiliate marketing, you're trying to make money online. You need to have a blog. So if you're trying to, or you want to learn how to create a blog, watch this video that is a paying up here. It is going to guide you to an in-depth video. It's going to guide you to step by step on how to create a 100K per year affiliate blog, you know, so that you can start earning money from that blog. So watch that video there. But now, once you're done with this, now you're done creating all your content. Now, you don't necessarily need a blog. If you don't have the budget to start a blog, you don't necessarily, I will show you a platform that you can also use to publish this content, because we want to publish this content on a platform. Now, so let's say, for instance, you're done creating all your content. You can just, you know, copy everything like this. This is your content. You copied everything. What you can then do is to come to a platform called Medium. So just go to medium.com and sign up. You can use your Gmail to sign up. Now, once you sign up, what you can then do is to click on the right button here, because you want to start writing these articles on Medium. It is free to use Medium. You don't need to pay any money. Okay. So what you can then do, you can just paste your article here. So let's say this is our article. You just paste everything here. You know, try to format it, add images here to your article here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to put the title of your article. So let me just go and find the title that we can add here. Okay, I'll just paste this title here so you can see how to recondition a battery. But you won't put it as it is in English. You won't do that, because, you know, your audience, they are in Spanish. Like, yeah, you don't want to do this. Don't paste it in English. So what you can do, you come back to Google here, then you paste the title here. So once you paste the title, Google is going to translate it for you. So all you have to do is just copy it. Okay, so I'll just paste this here. Okay, so this is the title of the article here. So once I paste this now inside your article, after you finish adding your image, you know, add your image there, then in your article, in between the paragraphs, or like, let's say in between like 2 to 3 paragraphs, you add a call to action there. So your call to action will be, click here to, you know, get this available. So you can just, you know, this is just my own inspiration for now, but you can just spend your time to craft your call to action very well inside your article. As you can see, this call to action is in English, it's written in English. We don't want to leave, you know, you can't combine Spanish and English together, it will look somehow. So what we can do is just copy this call to action here. Then I'll come back to Google here. Then I'll paste the call to action here. You see, Google will bring out the Spanish equivalent of it there. Then I can copy it. Then once I do that, I will just paste this here. So let me just paste. Okay, so now we have the Spanish version here. So once we paste it, what we can do is to go back to Notepad and copy that affiliate we collected from Clickbank. Okay, so what I'll just copy here. I'll just add this here. So we can just add it to this extent here, depending on how you want to do yours. So here, I'll just click on this here, then I'll paste the link, then I'll click on enter. Now you can see it has added the link here. So this is how you can create these articles here. This is how you can do it. So at the end of the day, once you're done, you click on the publish button here. Then if you add images in your content there, to display the image there. So what you can do here is to, you know, set some SEO data here. So to enable, you know, Pinterest itself, as you can see here, when I use this extension, there's an extension I have here on my browser here. It says SimilarWeb. Medium itself gets up to, you can see, 150 million monthly visitors to this site. So if you optimize your post very well, it has the potential of getting found or viewed by this audience on Medium. So this is how you can also get traffic instantly to your articles and start earning those money. I also tell you other methods you can also use to promote your article, which is this article you've written on Medium, so that you can, you know, maximize your effort and earn more money online. So here, this is this here. You can just battery, let's say, reconditioning, as you can see here. So you can just go ahead, add more tags there. When you're done adding the tags there, you can also put a description. We can leave this one here. Since it's in Spanish here, everything is in Spanish here. Then you just click on publish. So this is how you can publish this content on Medium. Now, if you want to also get more eyeballs on your article, the article you've written on Medium. You can also go to platforms like Quora, promote it on Quora, find questions around battery reconditioning, answer those questions, and at the end of the day, link back to your article, which is this article, because you don't want to put your affiliate link on Quora, else your account might be banned on Quora. So you want to link back to this your article, and at the end of the day, the visitor comes to this your article, then they can click on your affiliate link, go back to the vendor side and buy the product, then you earn commission. So this is how you can do. You can also use Facebook groups. So you can also paste your articles on Facebook groups and earn commission when people come back to your article to read your article, because this way you're providing them value. And at the end of the day, when you provide somebody value, you have the high potential to also earn commissions from providing those guys value. Okay, but one thing I want you to take note here is, for this strategy to work for you, you need to be consistent. You can't just upload, let's say, 2 or 3 articles on Medium and expect to earn thousands of dollars. It doesn't happen that way. You need to be consistent. Just find time in your day to just create this article. As you can see here in this video, within a short period of time, we've developed this article. So just follow the strategy I showed you in this video to create the article. Spend your time every single day or every 2 days or every 3 days, depending on how your schedule is, but ensure that you're consistent. And, when you're consistent, this medium.com and any other, traffic sources you're trying to use to promote this, your article, is going to reward you with traffic. So that is how it works. Now, if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now and start making money online, check out this link in my description here to get my free video blueprint that's going to walk you through step by step on how to start a high ticket affiliate business, marketing valuable product that people are already searching for online to buy right now. So when they buy these products, when you market this product, they buy this product, you earn, thousands of dollars in commissions when people buy this product through your link. So just click the link, go over to my page there, put your email there, and it will send you the video. So just watch the video on how to do that. Now, if you found value in this video so far, please, I highly recommend you smash the subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends. Now, before you go, please check out any of this video that is appearing up here so that you can learn more money making strategies on how you can make more money online. So I hope to see you in one of the next video.